Yema obi biara akwaba at the bar Opemsuo Radio, Opemsuo TV, YouTube, and Facebook ina. Biaya ejine eye North Patasi, aye Palmar International School, eni mu pe ene ejina, ene ye fiada eye mebo some, ne da etosu dunsun ewo afe empinu ene aduenu enan mu. Ene dwumadie sronko a ekoso ewo Palmar International School ha eye abatuo ena eye akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ ene mpanimfoɔ ewo school mu ha ede ahyehye so ama eye asuafoɔ anase students a omo wo school mu ha omo gye eye nimdie na ne titiri anase ne botae a ene omo de ye dwumadie yi ahyehye nneɛma ɛso sɛ enkola no emekyerɛ omo adwen ento aba eye sɛ ɛbɛboa nkola no ama omo timi ehu kwan a ye fa so ɛto aba na afeso so omanya odo edi ama abatuo se oman bapa na de etosusu biom eye se omo be kire omadwen eye democracy a ye gitum ewo ye mayimu no so no enkwala ni na be hye omadwen mu se ampa ye soso ye Ghana fo isan se ye se empani to san ekọ eye mabunu diem enti no mpani ni ho a omo na eba be gina akire na omo ato aba ma mpanifo a ebeba na enu nti enenne Palmar International School omude abatuo sonko dwumadie ahyehye so a omo se enkwala no omo kire omo kon befa so ehu kwan ye fa so to aba na bibia so atimi akoso na school no afa ne ntoma pa so efra enti no ye ekọ na yakohye eye dwumadie no abatuo no sa esi kọ de obedi nkunim omo din wo eye ballot papers so sa esi gina eye ballot screen anim eto uwi a obobo de kokoto ballot box mu ni na no ye kohye kwan ankwala no efa so a omo asua omo de eto abanene medin e de kwaku so adiomi.
CP Opemsuo TV ni radio se ne mobile best yen na sa dwumedi a ye di ne he wo hwa Palmar International School yet in 1997 you know it is a school and a school it is on my nioma ekoso ewo school no e was school mo no e was say eye similar to the ekoso on my no na se mofra ni wie a omo afan easy to socialize into ne prefectorial elections yet so aba eye school for no in Kendi for now we say the year no here yet said the year no national elections na ye were electoral commission staff ewa ha ye were polling booth any polling your friend is agents around your ballot boxes ni nyina ye nioma ye no ha said e be ya mofra ne democracy e be rome right from the beginning na omunyini a no mate democracy anaka bi mame nka bi amemu na se ye enti se muhu dwumedi a ye di ne wa ha na ne fapem no eno no da CP se wo hwe research ayaya I even Ministry of Education edi adanse e say private schools ya ni e bomodin pa e wa desua mu nwomesua mu e chen government schools ni nyina e ye enhihye bi te se de ye ni ne ya ye de egu akwan mu na wo hwe Palmar International School ade ba ko a e ma ye koyenim e ye pesa afoforo nsusua ne se e wo mu se ye implement naka curriculum nenso kwan ye fa so e kira de no e te se UK ntina so ahwa aha kra no ye senior prefect ye nka boys prefect ye say head boy because UK sa no mo kano and senior girls prefect yes a head girl sana UK for so e kano nti ha no is a blend of the UK tradition and the Ghanaian tradition nti futo me de ma private schools ne say sa banpo agia to mu say ye boy ye homodin dia ye nso ye momodin na kire for no ye ntiti wo mu ye ye fa wo mu no mu kuta degrees na enye enough I was see do mo fa entitiam bro ni CPD programs na afedie technology oba ye ha classroom bia ni o projector because na desua no se wo kira de a enya akra no wo kira ni bibi afa epon ho a na wo describe pon no keke e wo se wo de kira no video na ohu ni nyina ye nioma ye no Palmar International School a ye tu afoforo fo so mo nsunsua na mo so mo ho modern said ye boy ho modern no ase wo hwe private schools a ade ekun ye pa taxes unse se ye boa ama ye complement the efforts of the Ministry of Education. But so we ye cranioma aba wo man ni mu a enka ye to de bi anka tax rebates bi ba mayen a nke beboa de to sumie enka na pa no na teaching and learning materials is textbooks na ye de bi call government schools and ye de bi private schools esanse ehunu say ye taxes in ye de ye adesua wo man ni mu na morfa no more private schools no so parents etua taxes but enenti say bio eti esra ban say private school is sign modern boy ye boa et boa said de be ya onu nso eni so ade hunu emne vision trimpo ema adesua be ko na enimu nti no taxes any teaching and learning resources are ye de ma aban schools no omo social resources no omo fa bi emoyen na taxes no so omo mane nko for emoyen ye frame Emmanuel Frimpong me na me ye school ni teaching and as a headmaster ewo hase
me den de Daniel Apia na me ye manager of Palmar International School okay ye hu ni say afi election year Ghana man nyina be call election na ya shasi a ye chiro din na obehu na yese polling center bi o ha amanfo kontokwa ye wo bi sikan ye twen ti oni sa no man I don't think say ya the papa was say etimi koso o man mo because yen ya shasi ye training kra no say de be ye umbetimi ehunu say de ana na responsibility say citizen bia no utimi eto aba ntinka me fi say nka no ma ekoso no say ye mani party as say eye me responsibility a me hunu de ntia wo say so bi kwakwa kochiro di nkra na akwakwa koye entokwa ntia na adwuma di wi aye ye ne de akere nkra no amoma hu say breson say omu free school ase no mo secondary school no mo nya 18 years a ense say obi mpo ne ba be hye wo say ko na kokochiro di no na na be hunu die hia say as a citizen no otimi ekochiro ni di na otimi eto aba am say private schools no dey am say ye bebre de ma aban ye bebre de boa aban say we oba hai mobile mo hu staff nipa dodo e wa ye doso yenso yetimi employ obi etimi reduce unemployment na e wo man mu no na ye challenge pa ye wo ye taxes ye challenge kese pa ye taxes we taxes are you tia any bills are you tia electricity cost any ade no I think say no ne ade a yes stresses nka aban no say bi anko the incentives bi ba anka ontwanani so na onfanhwe private schools no. I didn't say yes and since I usually contribute to your quota to the nation. No? I think there's a ban so no the boy private schools are a bit me a boy pa. For sure, I'm a manager of Palmar International School. Me dene de Daniel Apia.
Opemsuo radio. Any etiefo nyina. Maba ene mabesra yo Palmar International School ha. Ye say dwumadi ase ache ye sha ase se ye use electoral materials na ache na di nti a ema ye sa no ye pese nkwara no enu ta mo munyini no na chese bibia efa abato ho wo mu dikan hunu dada if say ye hwemu a esa wo wo curriculum a sese wo mu sua no nti ye di kire wo mu say a practicals we no a wo mu huna na ye de theory na just ayemre amaye na de ya na ye ni say ansana yebe ema enkwara no ahase vote no yekọ rant na yama omo yede different ya kire omo kwan hodo omo befa so omo be vote nti ye pilot na bi a 1 2 3 na yekọ na yede akire omo se wo pe number 1 a asomasi ana wa vote saa na yede kire omo a efiri be mfie num ni nti omo a ya na omo find ni difficult omo beba class 1 omo de ana ye beginners nti ye boa ye ma other teachers bi boa omo kwan omo befa so a omo be vote na free class 2 ko ni de enam say wo class 1 a woto no kosi JHS ni de ye nya challenges bia omo say ye to aba no a mienu o miensa essay efiri say omo ye nkwala say ye hwe general election kura ye ne ye nyinyini ye to aba na bebre etimi say nti kakra bi na ta say ma omo so a omo begina omo na mu no ehunu bibia ye wie nso a ye tworo ye bibia ballot asay bibia ye ne account ama omo a omo si omo na mu no so polling agents no omo hu na omo hu nti ye wie ne na nso a obia gi bibia tum ema bibia eye boko ema school ye hyase be mfie enum ya ye hyase say ye use electoral materials ni de saa ne dwumadie ne ye die ne ye de boa nkwala no omo daache ti beduru ho no se omo benyine no bibia nye omo din bio a omo betimi I vote no ma vote kama enu nti na ma ye saa ne ma we say.
My name is Nana Oseitutu on JHS2, and what motivated me to pick the form is that I wanted to demonstrate a good leadership skills and to promote tenacity and respect throughout the school. And my aim for the school is to make the school the best private school in Ghana and the cleanest school in Ghana.
If I don't win, I'll take it like that. But if I win, I will ensure discipline in the school and eliminate vices like disrespect to staff members in the school.
So what's your ambitions when you
I will set up school events, create support systems, and advocate for specific changes around the school. My personal qualities compelled me to stand for this position, and during my stay in the school, I've seen that the outgone girls prefects have also tried their best. But when I'm voted into power, I will add what I can also do to help. Oh, okay. So everyone can be who or she wants to be. If you always put a vision ahead of you and work towards it, you'll be able to achieve it. My name is Erica from Palmar, Santi.
How I'm going to do is by, first of all, our appoint him say security patrols. So example, we have the teachers, say security guard officers. I'll make them like look around and be my watch eyes. Example, not always in class, they're always in class. So at least I'll make them help me to do that stuff. And also educate, bringing, I say, what do we say? Educational programs, like I'll call the Zoom Lions over here, talk and educate our students how to keep our school clean. And my vision is to make the school one of the top and most cleanest country in Ghana. Thank you, sir. My name is Nanaya Osebo Subempa. I'm a matron ballot paper. Thank you, sir.